Alright guys, so I want you to go ahead and take a look at this channel that's on screen right now, because they're doing a very good job of getting views, engaging with their subscribers, most importantly making money and providing good value for the platform. I think this is great niche. You can see right here that it's in the AI niche. So if you don't already know, AI is massive right now. Pretty much a new tool for AI is coming out every single week, and this channel was able to get 28,000 subscribers with just 51 videos. If I go ahead and click on their oldest video, you can see they just started 8 months ago, and you can see their first video got 80,000 views, then 11,000 views, then 12,000 views. So you can see this channel is doing a very good job. So what exactly is this channel doing? And as you can see, so far they've got 1 million views and 666,000 views per month, which is pretty good. And this is actually a search-based channel. As you can see, it's all how to make ASMR slicing Minecraft blocks videos, how to make animal diving videos without Google VO3, how to make your own animal podcast without Google VO3. And I'll show you something that's also pretty good about this channel, which you want to actually do if you go ahead and decide to implement something like this. So all this channel is doing is just taking these AI videos that people want to make, okay, people that are making viral shorts, people that are making these AI YouTube channels and things like that. So the point of it is to provide the method on how to create those videos using the specific AI tools. So for an example, how to make an ASMR slicing Minecraft block video. Okay, that's the oldest video. Let's go to the latest, because what they're doing is to get the views is they're capitalizing on trends. So for an example, let me just go to the home page. If you go to your YouTube homepage and then you notice that there is a viral type of short taking off right now, and lots of channels are creating a certain style of YouTube short, you can cover that on your channel. So for an example, how to make wooden sculpture crafting videos with AI. This is actually a viral type of idea that people want to learn about and actually make the videos for themselves. So if we go ahead and look at one of these videos.
These wooden sculpture videos are going viral.
You'll be able to see that they're explaining what the video that is going viral is all about. And then they go ahead and explain how you can actually get started creating these sorts of videos with AI using things like ChatGPT, Grok AI, Higgsfield, okay, OpenArt, and various things like that. And you can see the engagement on this is pretty good, like 184 likes, 2.8k views 1 day ago. So this is pretty good. And all you need to do is get the inspirational video, so you can model another successful video just like this. For an example, this particular video right here, and then create your own prompts, create your own style of video, and then show the people how to make that with AI. So as you can see, these are search based. So how to make wooden sculpture crafting videos. If you go to the search bar, how to make wooden sculpture, okay, how to make wood sculpture tutorial carving ideas, crafting videos. Okay, so you can see another one is popular, how to make skeleton shorts, how to make viral skeleton shorts, and various things like that. You can go ahead and cover on the channel, which is going to give you these sorts of views, which is great. So it's kind of like a mix between search-based YouTube and browser-based YouTube, because these audiences, you can see it's not like the how-to apps niche where you upload a whole bunch of videos on various and wide, broad topics. This is niche. This only covers the tutorial, the how to make AI video tutorial niche, and for that reason your subscribers are going to be very interested in your videos that you upload. So that's going to give you that initial boost that you need when you upload a video, and then it's going to rank in search, it's going to get suggested views, it's going to get browsed views and things like that. You can just create a basic thumbnail just like this. You can see that if you come across this channel on the home page or in search, you're pretty much going to know that it's AR Rush Hour just based off the thumbnails right here. So here's another viral example, how to make stickman videos for any niche. And basically he explains that and he's pretty much using ChatGPT to do the prompts, and then he's using various different AR tools to basically demonstrate how you go ahead and make this. And the nice thing I like about this particular channel right here is that you can see the videos aren't like 20 minutes, 30 minutes long. That one's 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 4 minutes. So these are very quick and helpful videos, to the point, and the audience really gets value out of that. So 51 videos, 2.83 thousand subscribers, and we can go ahead and look at how much they're pretty much earning. I would imagine that this sort of niche would have an RPM of around $3 to $3.50. So what we can do, okay, you can see they got 1 million views already with just 51 videos, which is really good. So we'll take a look at the views, and then we'll bring up the calculator, just bring it across here, because on this Next Lev extension the channel revenue pretty much isn't that accurate. Okay, so we'll just let that load, and as you can see it's 667 137. You want to divide that by 1000. Okay, then you want to multiply it by like 3.5, and then you get pretty much $2,300 per month with a channel like this, just getting started. And the potential to get 2 million, 3 million views per month is there as you build a catalog of videos and build your channel that way, which is really good. Now the thing that I wanted to show you, and you can see it's monetized. So the thing I wanted to show you right now is if I go into the videos, what these channels also do is they incorporate affiliate marketing into their videos. So I'm just going to click on the latest upload that they've done, and let me just go ahead and pause that. If we go ahead and move down to the description now, you can see that ChatGPT gives you the prompts basically to make it in ChatGPT, but then it also has an affiliate link. You can see that this is an affiliate link. It says via equals Virgil, which is their affiliate tracking link. And if people click that link, create the AR video using OpenArt like they showed in the tutorial, and people are going to do that because they want to know exactly how to make that and in the easiest way possible. They're going to make affiliate commissions through OpenArt. So you can pretty much take that $10,000, and this can be crazy. So the AdSense can be like 2.3K, but the affiliate revenue can be like 10K per month if you're doing channels like this, which is really good. And then another thing that they're doing to maximize their revenue, so this channel could easily be making 10K per month. So you can see they have a link in their bio of their YouTube channel, and they have a website where they're doing all the affiliate marketing, and I presume a shop where people can go ahead and shop for different things. So you can see here, if I go to AR tools, people come across this channel, they want to know, okay, what are the best tools for AR video creation. They'll click that, and then you'll see Kling AI, OpenArt, what's the next one, Opus Clip, and then they'll sign up to these programs or softwares, and the channel will earn a commission. A very good idea to be able to make money on YouTube with search-based YouTube automation. If this video helped you out, drop a like on it, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.